1. Engine performance. The heart of a luxury car lies in its engine. These cars often come equipped with powerful engines that offer quick acceleration and high-speed stability. For example, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class features a V8 engine, while the Tesla Model S Plaid boasts 3 electric motors capable of going from 0 to 60 mph in less than 2 seconds. The Ferrari 488 GTB, with its V8 engine, is another example of a luxury car with incredible performance. 2. Adaptive suspension systems. Many luxury cars are equipped with adaptive suspension systems that adjust to different road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the terrain. This system helps absorb shocks from rough roads and provides better handling during high-speed cornering. 3. Autonomous driving capabilities. Many luxury cars are now incorporating self-driving technology. Tesla's Autopilot and Mercedes-Benz Drive Pilot are examples of systems that allow for hands-free driving in certain conditions, making long trips more relaxing and safe. 4. Premium materials and interiors. The interiors of luxury cars are crafted with the finest materials. The Rolls-Royce Phantom, for example, features hand-stitched leather seats, real wood trim, and customizable designs, creating an unparalleled level of comfort and elegance. 5. Advanced infotainment systems. Luxury cars come equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment systems that provide navigation, entertainment, smartphone integration, and voice-activated controls. Brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW feature user-friendly systems with high-resolution displays and seamless connectivity.